This is Jeff Volkman. I'm the general manager at the Rio Grande in downtown Denver. My cocktail is a Silver Coin Margarita. We chose Herradura for this drink because it finishes smooth and is very clean. We did a lot of traveling around, many times to Mexico, and we noticed a very lime-forward coin margarita, and that's where we decided to come up with a drink with Herradura. This is Jeff Volkman. Thank you for watching Cocktail Creators.